President Bongbong Marcos is anticipating a better rice harvest this year, leading to lower rice prices. Cresilyn Catarong reports.
The Department of Agriculture anticipates a better rice harvest this year. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. made this announcement during a rice distribution event held in Iriga City, Camarines Sur over the weekend. President Marcos emphasized the need for the government to continue implementing programs that will further develop the sector to ensure food security even with a bountiful harvest.
Sabi ng Department of Agriculture ay mas malaki ang ani natin ngayong taon na ito kaysa sa nakaraan. Kaya sa production side naman ay nagiging maayos.
President Marcos expressed hope that Filipinos will soon feel the impact of improved production in the agricultural sector. Regarding the implementation of price ceilings on rice, President Marcos stated in a media interview in Iriga City that with the start of the harvest season, rice prices in the market will likely decrease.
Ay sa palagay ko at pagpasok ng ani, dahil papasok na, nag-aani na tayo, at pagpasok niyan, sa palagay ko makikita na natin na bababa yung presyo, market forces. Baka kung yung merkado mismo ang bumababa ng presyo, pwede na nating bawasan yung mga control na linagay natin.
President Marcos also mentioned the immediate need to implement measures such as imposing price caps, providing cash aid to rice retailers, and establishing a new price range for the purchase of rice for the National Food Authority to support farmers and ensure inventory. For God and for my beloved Philippines, this has been Cresilyn Catarong, SMNA News.